Hey ho there, welcome back to a big weather update. Right now we're looking at a very dangerous tornado outbreak right now, it seems. With also today, this is the precursor event really. We have an enhanced risk. We'll be breaking it all down today and tomorrow. And maybe again on Sunday we could be seeing some severe weather. Actually day 3 as well has some severe weather, but it's only marginal. This is the first day. You can definitely see Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, Texas is under a slight risk. Texas is under enhanced risk. It's definitely gonna be something we'll be monitoring. We'll be seeing a couple tornadoes, maybe some large hail, with also damaging winds being a big factor. That'll play a role as we go through the next while. But you can definitely see right here. This is rather interesting to say the least, and looking at definitely see a 5% chance of tornadoes going into the next couple days tonight. As again, as you head more towards this is valid until around 7 a.m. Central Time, so you can definitely see right there. That's why it stretches so far to the east, and that's until 7 a.m. You could be seeing again damaging winds maybe across Texas. Basically the slight risk area, but this is definitely not something to be laughing at to go in, especially if you live in Dixie Alley. We'll be getting to that actually very shortly, but yeah, you can definitely see that wind 15% within 25 miles of a given point, and you can definitely see right there it's definitely quite interesting to say the least. But this you can definitely see also boom, you can definitely see at 30% in the hashed area in Texas, which again you could be seeing. If you're in the hashed area, you could see hail around 2 inches or more in diameter, which is something to keep in mind. We already have thunderstorms right now, but it is not tornado warned. But so yeah, it's definitely quite interesting. You can definitely see tomorrow slight risk for Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio, Tennessee, North Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, Louisiana, Texas, maybe a small portion of Oklahoma, Mississippi, Illinois, Arkansas, Missouri. Enhanced risk for Arkansas, Missouri, maybe a small portion of Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, Georgia, Alabama. And you can definitely see a moderate risk, maybe a small portion of Georgia, Tennessee, and also for Mississippi and Alabama. Right now, models have been going absolutely nuts for tomorrow, which is kind of absolutely just crazy. We're looking at long track, maybe even long track strong tornadoes, maybe even violent in some cases. We'll see what the Storm Prediction Center goes with tomorrow morning, and that'll probably be played out going into what. So anyways, you can definitely see a 15% in the moderate risk area, and then in of tornadoes within the 25 mile of a given point. You can definitely see also a 10%. If you're in the hash area, you can definitely be seeing long tracked, strong to maybe even violent tornadoes as well. So it's likely to continue as severe threat would diminish as you go more into the Carolinas. However, those could pose a significant risk. This is the wind, and you can definitely see 30% hashed. You can definitely see also winds of 70 miles per hour or 75 miles per hour actually, and within 25 miles in a given point. And you can definitely see 15% and 5% surrounding that, and 30% also. Anyways, this is definitely quite an eventful setup tomorrow. We'll see how much daytime heat we'll get into it. But you can definitely see again 30% again. Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas. If you're in the 30%, you have a chance of also receiving hail 2 inches in diameter. So yeah, that's not something to really be good. Would be very good in driving it anyways. As again, day 3 has something. After when the cold front moves by, you can definitely see again some marginal severe weather. But you can definitely see maybe marginal for Kansas, Nebraska, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia. You can definitely see it's gonna be more of a wind going to maybe the Carolinas gonna be a tiny bit of tornado threat, but right now we have a while for this to progress. We'll see what happens. It's not looking the best though. Anyways, that's really it. You probably saw the recent video if it hasn't been uploaded yet. Strong Tornado Moves from GHQ. It happened last night. It was quite a surprise to see how strong it was. But again, tomorrow have a backup plan. Go find a plan to see if there's a tornado nearby and you need to take shelter. That's definitely something you should be taking precautions for any severe weather event, in fact. But tomorrow especially you should be weather aware. So anyways, goodbye.